I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You begin by making sure you can unlock the account. Have the Apple ID password and two-factor method ready. Once done, back up crucial data to iCloud or a computer so nothing is lost when you sign out. Now open Settings, tap your name, choose Find My, and switch off Find My iPhone or iPad. You will need the Apple ID password to confirm. This immediate action prevents activation lock and lets you proceed to remove the account safely. Once Find My is off, sign out directly on the device. On iPhone or iPad, go to Settings, tap your name, then sign out and enter the password. Choose whether to keep local copies. On a Mac, open System Settings, select Apple ID and sign out. Follow prompts to keep or discard data. If you cannot access the device, sign in to iCloud, Com or Appleid. Apple, Com, select Devices, and remove the device remotely, so it no longer You finish by erasing the device to remove personal data. On iPhone, go to Settings, General Transfer, or Reset, erase all content and settings after confirming you signed out. Make sure the device no longer appears under Devices at Appleid. Apple, Com, activation lock must be cleared before giving the device away or selling it. If something goes wrong and the device remains locked, gather the original receipt and contact Apple support for account recovery. This is the key troubleshooting path.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.